So our job today is to remove the airbag of this Nissan Versa 2007. It's pretty easy on the two sides. The trick is at the bottom here. That's where you need to really pay attention, but I'll show you how to get that done. So because we're going to work on the airbag, we have to remove the power to the airbag, and so we'll remove the negative side of the battery. And you're going to have to just keep this removed for about 5 minutes or so before you start any work on there, just to make sure that any latent charge that's there is dissipated. So to remove the airbag, we have to remove 3 clips, one on each side. This opening right here, there might be a little cap you have to remove. This vehicle's, the cap is gone. But you go in through here with a screwdriver, just a flathead. And how you want to turn it is you want to turn it that the flathead is going to face this way, because there's going to be a little spring that you have to depress, and as your screwdriver goes in, you're going to have to kind of keep it to the front side of the vehicle. So you want to angle it, keep it against the far side as you go in, and you'll feel that little spring, and you just want to press that and then pull on the top here, pull slightly, and you'll do that for both sides. You can slide right past it, but you don't want to do that. You can just feel that little spring, and there's movement right here. It's very slight. It's not a big movement, but you can see it and feel it over here. So you do this on both sides. When you come from the side, just position the screwdriver the same way, and you'll feel it. It's towards the front of the vehicle, and just press that in and just pull. So as you pull this, you'll just see slight movement here. It just doesn't line up exactly like it used to. It doesn't come out a lot, it's just a little bit there. And now you've got to do the third clip, which is at the bottom right here. This is the difficult one. So now what we need to do is to create an opening here to go in with a small screwdriver to release the third lock that we have. So we have to just wiggle our way in, just kind of pry this out a little bit, and then jam something in there to keep it open. Then you have to go in with another screwdriver and hit a certain spot, and I will show you just now what I mean. So now let me show you what it looks like underneath. As you turn this around, be careful with all the connectors that you have. This is your horn right here, and this is a very short lead. So you got to undo this one first. And then these two are your airbag connectors. So to remove these, you first of all need to move these locking tabs over here, and you can just lift them up with a little pick or a small screwdriver. Once you've got them out, it just comes out just like that. And this is the airbag. Now you can remove it. But as I'm removing it now, I need to show you what we did to undo those clips. So you see these 3 hooks. These are the ones that keep it attached to the steering wheel. And inside here, you'll see they come in, they go in there, there, and there. So when we come in from the side with a screwdriver, we're going to push that spring clip in like that, and it releases the hooking clip up there. So that's what you do from that side, and then you do the same from the other side. You do the same from this side. You'll be pushing it in like that. So that's why you want your screwdriver to be oriented like this, so that you can push that easily. This is a difficult one, and you need to come in from here, and you need to be pushing this down. like that, so it unclips. And you need to get your screwdriver in like that, and then put some pressure downwards on it, and it'll unclip there. This is the difficult one that you don't always see in the videos. So there you have it. That's how to remove your airbag from a Nissan Versa 2007.